guys. I hope you had an amazing trading week. So Kevin right here, your golden option Forex educator. This week from January 6th, Sunday January 6th to Friday January 11th, we had three trades that were called on our VIP Forex signals group on Telegram. We'll start with the GBP USD trade, which was a long, which was a buy trade. So as you can see here, after price broke out of the box, it hemmed up, of course, and then retraced back, and that's when we entered the trade around 11:30 on January 7th, and therefore we hemmed to 1.28 as our target, so 45 pips, and 45 pips of stop loss either. And in this case, what happened? Price kind of moved sideways a bit, so it went back up, and then just a bit down and back up again and a bit down, till the moment that it went right up to the max point, which was, you can see on the upper tab on the H, besides the H letter, it went to 1.27973 about. So it was less than 2 pips, actually 2.7 pips away from our target. So we missed this just by these few pips, 2.7, almost nothing, and price just reversed to go down, to fall and touch our stop loss at 1.27.1, and that's why we lost our trade. So our analysis was still relevant, was still on point, but sometimes market can make a few surprises, and just by really nothing, meaning less than 3 pips, price missed our target and just reversed to makes us lose the trade. And on GBP GPY, so we had GBP GPY right here. We had a sell, and we actually had the two positions right here. So the first one at 80 pips and the other one at 100 pips. So we entered after further confirmation with our market structure plus Fibonacci. If you guys want to know more about, I really advise you to check up our courses at Golden Option, and therefore we had a good entry point, and then price just literally went a bit up and then slightly dropped to touch our first target, which was at 80 pips. And then after this, we put our second position at break even. Therefore, price, it retraced back to break even actually, and it closed. But we re-entered at the same point, so around 138.54, and we aimed for another sell to 137.50, which made us get another 100 pips, and therefore, with this said, for the week we had three trades. So one on GU GBP USD and two on GJ GBP GPY. Two positions on this one. So on GBP USD we had a minus 45 pips. So it touched our stop loss, and on GBP GPY we first came with our TP1 at 80 pips and then at 100 pips after we re-enter right here, for a total of 135 pips positive, of course, for this week. So I hope you guys caught these trades, and if you want to know more about the way we trade, how we trade so precisely, check up our Instagram account at Golden Option Trading, and I'll see you guys on the next video.